This is a model of a small car garage repair shop, in HO gauge by Vollmer. It is a plastic kit that requires assembly. In the box, you will find a number of sprues containing the parts needed to construct the model. The sections are pre-colored for convenience, but can be painted further or weathered to suit. Details include a molded roof depicting an industrial corrugated design. Wood effect walling. Glazing for the windows. And some handy props such as a trailer and barrels to finish the scene. A number of garage-related signs are also included to dress the workshop. And instructions are provided to help with the build. The car garage repair shop from Vollmer. The completed model has a footprint of 128 mm by 98 mm, and a height of 50 mm.